Hi everyone. Today I'm walking you through our new purchasing usage summary dashboard. The goal of this tool is to give our department monthly visibility into seeing contract spend, vendor performance, contract timelines, so we can make faster data-driven decisions. We'll start here on the usage dashboard by government branch. This page will give you the bigger picture, the overview where you can see our total spend, for example, that is trending by fiscal year. So in 2025, if you select that on the graph, it should pivot and make the selections tailored just for that period that you selected. You can unselect it and it'll pivot right back. Next, we'll move over to our usage summary tab. Here we transition from the charts over to the data. This view allows you to search by specific contract numbers, their spend across the different customers and the years. If you need the raw data, you can select the usage data by contract number. And this will provide a line item table that'll include the contract manager's names along with your contract family. If you were to scroll over to your right, you'll have all the remaining pertinent data that was associated when I built this report. Now, if you're looking to export the data, my recommendation would be to select export here on your top left and select PDF. You'll want to export with your current values and only export the current page. And that'll allow you to export the information so you can upload it into Salesforce if needed. Okay, the next two tabs will help us track internal oversight. So the first one is usage by contract manager. This one shows and groups all the spend by the person managing those agreements. For example, you can see Amy's portfolio and it totals over 14 billion in track spend over those years. Similarly, the usage by portfolio or vendor tab allows you to pivot that same data by portfolio name if you were to do that search, or by your contract manager name tied to those specific categories. Okay, next we'll focus on the SCC pod tab. This is our sixth view. This is going to be the primary research tool for searching by either your contract numbers. You can do a multi-select by holding down the control button on your keyboard and making those selections, and it should only display what is available for what you've selected on these slicers. Again, you can also use some of these filters on the right-hand side of your screen. If you were to use the little eraser on any one of these slicers, it'll clear your selections for you. And last, we have the usage invoices due. This particular tab is critical for reviewing any of the outstanding invoices as of the date that it was sent to the team. It's categorized by the amount of aging payment days. So you can select whether or not you wish to see what was due 90 days ago, 60 days ago, 30 days ago. You can also make those selections based on the contract manager. You also have the ability to see on this particular one, the invoice ID number, so that you can, in fact, go and search for that if needed, or provide that information to your vendors. This dashboard will be updated regularly, usually on the first or second week of the new month, as we have the previous month information going in. Please use these tools to better drive your purchasing decisions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.